Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to introduce Wan-Animate, an exciting new AI model that can animate a static character image using motion from a reference video, or even replace a character in a video while preserving lighting, expressions, and background. Wan-Animate was released by the Human AI GC/Tongyi Lab team. It unifies character animation and character replacement into a single framework. In this video, I'll show you two ways to use Wan-Animate, via Hugging Face via ComfyUI. Let us start from Hugging Face. Open the Wan-Animate. Hugging Face space. I have a link in description. Once come to Wan 2.2 Animate on Hugging Face. Let us start with Move Mode. Upload a character image and a short reference video. Select Move Mode, click Generate, or the demo's Run button. Let's see the final result. The character in the image perfectly mimics the movements of the character from the reference video. Let us start with Mix Mode. Replace the static character with the character in the reference video. Upload a character image and a short reference video. Select Mix Mode. Click Generate and wait for the output. Let's see the final result. You can see the character in the reference video replaced by the one from the image, perfectly matching its movements. Let's move on to ComfyUI. Today I'll show you how to use the native Wan 2.2 Animate integration. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Wan 2.2 Animate. It's already built into ComfyUI. Download the required model. It requires you to download the necessary models for your workflow, so just make sure to download them before proceeding. Install the missing nodes. If you see a red box, it means some nodes are missing. Open the manager, install the required nodes. And once that's done, the red box will disappear. Once the nodes and models are installed successfully, let's take a look at the workflow a little bit. Workflow steps, node groups, model loader. Load the required model, your image, and the reference video. Mask and background. Define which character you want to replace and which background you want to keep. Sampling and video. Process the inputs and generate the final video. Let's start by loading the image and the reference video. Keep the default setting at 640 by 640. Then, click Run to generate the result. Here's the output. The character is fully animated, moving exactly like in the reference video. Before running Move Mode, go to Wan-Animate to Video and disconnect the background video and character mask nodes. For convenience, you can also duplicate the Mix Mode workflow and create a dedicated workflow just for Move Mode. Once everything is set up, load your image and reference video. I already have both loaded, so now let's click Run and check out the final result. And that's how you can use Wan-Animate, either on Hugging Face for a quick browser demo, or inside ComfyUI for more control and customization. Whether you're animating a static character or replacing one in a video, Wan-Animate makes it simple to bring your ideas to life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and share your own results in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.